Looking for a straightforward way to capture every market move without juggling multiple assists? Omni Assist has you covered. Traditional assists either lock you into a rigid range or make you wait too long for a recovery. Omni Assist combines both worlds, so you don't have to choose. Our approach sets precise subgrids to profit from frequent price swings, then automatically deploys DCA orders if the market dips. This seamless blend adapts in real time, so you can ride an uptrend, bounce from dips, or collect gains in a range-bound market. Say the price drops below your entry. Omni Assist steps in, lowers your average, and sets new subgrids at the lower zone. Even a modest rebound can lock in profits long before a full return. Low maintenance, fewer manual tweaks. Flexible works for sideways, bullish, or bearish trends. Stress-reducing, automated adaptation means more time for you. Trade smarter, activate Omni Assist and experience the power of subgrids plus DCA in one professional solution.